You can code faster with AI, sure, but there's a catch. Coding fast means nothing if you don't understand the code that you're shipping. AI gives you working code in seconds. It can feel like magic. Feels like you've unlocked a cheat code for software engineering. But that shortcut comes with a hidden price if you're not paying attention. When you paste code you don't fully understand, or you allow an agent to check in code that you've never seen, you are potentially creating technical debt that you can't see yet. Bugs show up in odd places, maintenance will get harder, and worst of all, your own skills will start to dull, because you're no longer thinking through the decisions behind the code. You end up with a code base whose structure you don't know, a code base we can't explain half the logic, and that's a dangerous place to be. AI can code fast, but it can't think about the future. That part of the job is still yours. Understanding your code keeps you sharp, helps you make better decisions, and gives you a product you can trust. Here's a simple rule to protect yourself and your team. Read every AI-generated snippet of code before it hits your repo. If you can't explain it, if you don't understand it, don't ship it. Rewrite it, or prompt the AI to try again until it's clear, simple, and maintainable. Think of it like reviewing a PR from another engineer. You wouldn't merge that blind, so don't do that with AI either. You don't need to fear AI or avoid it. You just need to stay in control. Be in the driver's seat. Understanding your code is how you keep control, keep quality high, and keep your skills sharp. In short, if you don't get it, don't ship it. If you want more practical tips on using AI to level up your engineering work, hit subscribe and check out the other videos in the AI-assisted software engineering playlist.